Belly. We're folding belly today. This is more like skin colored. It should be fine. Fold them in half diagonally. Then a little extra step right here. I like how it just adds steps. It says like a quarter way. So you can like mark halfway first and then mark quarter way later, like that. Full. So you pinch it right there and then you fold it right there and like that. So now it's like exactly a quarter way. Then you fold these towards the middle. You don't need to fold this way, I guess. You need to only fold there towards the middle. The middle right there. Only towards here, not this one if you want. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna close it. Yeah, he's gonna close it. So you don't need to fold this one if you don't want to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Then you do the same thing here on the other side. Try to line up this edge with the middle of the paper. The diagonal fold you did before. There we go. Is this a fish base? Yeah, this is frog base. I don't remember the base names, but basically all you do is you close this one again, then you close this one, and then this flap kind of exists. You're supposed to put it forward. Yeah. So it's like a flap here now. Same thing here. You close this one. You close this one. Close this one back, and there's like a flap right here. You flatten it a little bit and then forward. Flatten it right there. Perfect. It looks like this. It looked like this before. Now it looks like this. So and fold it in half also. It really helps me like looking at the next step on how the model looks and then repeating it basically like to the best of my abilities. Inside reverse fold the right end to form the tail. Jesus Christ. I think it's in the middle, I'm pretty sure. Because you have the middle fold right here. I'm a creasive. You have the middle fold right here. So I think he just... Yeah, he opens the model. And he pushes it inside. And closes the model. But I don't think he does that much of it. I think he only goes like this way. So it's like here probably. It looks like 1/3 of this space right here. 1/3 of it. So I'm gonna eyeball that. Like that. That looks fine. Perfect. It looks like that. You push this in and then you flatten it. There we go. And then 7. You take these flaps and you push them down a little bit. On the other side too, I guess. Yes. And then you close these backwards. I usually, when I make these folds, I usually pre-crease a little bit also. As you can see on the 9th one there's like a little imbalance between the middle folds. So I'm trying to replicate that. And then fold it back. You can see this crease right here now. This one. If you open it a little bit, you can like push it out. It's kind of difficult trying to fix this if this occurs. Basically like inside out, like a pillowcase. I think I'm getting sick. I need the spray. Where's my spray? I lost it. I think it's in the... Is that the spray? Yeah, the spray. Let's go. Woo! Oh my god. Then you do the same thing to close it. So you basically do this. Yeah, that looks about okay. Flatten it a little bit, and then you open it, push it through right here, like this. Close this one a little bit, and then you close it again, like that. Is that push in the top of the head optional. Mountain fold the bottom edges inside optional. Mountain folding is the easy part. You have these folds, right? That's what he is optionally doing right here. You basically, I'm using the thumb as a like leverage to make the correct side of the fold. He doesn't do that much though. It's like from there to there, so not much. I can fold it forward first and then backwards later. So about the tail is a bit less. That doesn't matter though. There, I'm folding it forward and then I'm folding it backwards later. This might be a bit difficult. I'll fold it backwards instantly. Now, there we go. So this. Here, basically, you fold it like this. There we go. My camera is so good. Oh, blah. And then the optional part right here is the best, most difficult part of it, I guess. You pre-crease it a little bit and then you open up the head almost completely, and then you can open it up even more by pushing it right here a little bit, and then you can see maybe this line right here, you thank you camera, push it in. I have my finger in there, you push it in, and you're trying to make all of these mountain folds. Basically you pinch it in every corner right there, and then you pinch it even more, as much as you can, and then you close it like that. So it's basically, here, let me open it up. It looks like this. Pinched. There we go. And that's it. Oh, that's it. Was it flap? No, no flapping. Although you could. Nah, I'm not going to refold this one. It's perfect.